The UNCG Faculty and Teaching Learning Center asks, have you ever wanted to flip your class? Does this remind you of your students? Is this your reaction to yet another lousy class discussion? How can you get your students to really get into their reading? It may be time to rethink the traditional classroom and traditional classroom techniques. Using technology as simple as a mouse, you will be able to engage your students as never before, helping them reach new heights, exploring new concepts, working in groups, achieving success. Anything's possible when you flip your class.